Hello, my name is Alp Solakoglu and I'm from Istanbul, Turkey. FlyPyLog is my CS50x Final Project. It's pretty much a flight logging software that lets you create flight logs to track your flights. So first of all, you have the option to create a book, which if you input your book name here, which we will call test 1 for our first book, and you click new book, it will create the book for you. It does this by pretty much creating directories inside of a books folder inside here. If you manually add a file here, we'll also create it there as it's refreshing every millisecond to see if you've created any new file in there. Then if we go into test 2, for example, we will get a list of all the logs inside. Because there's none right now, if we decide to create a new log, we will get this prompt here. If we put the log name, let's say London, Turkey, and then using a CSV list that I have here, which I put into a SQLite3 database so I can access it here, I can pretty much choose any airport from the UK here. Let's call it EGTR, and then if we choose an airport from the Turkey over here, such as LTFK, and the log, we can put any text we want, test, for example. Then if we save, our book will show up here, our log will show up here, and then we can go into view and it will give us all the info that we need. The log name, the airport ICO code, airport name, the country name for both, and the log itself, and also distance traveled in nautical miles or kilometers using a radio button, depending on which one you prefer. You can also edit these. For example, we can edit the log name to London, or we can also edit the airport from to LTCT, and all the information will be updated. We go back and view it. Seen here. You can also delete these, and also, for example, input no log name, departure ICO code, or destination code. Then it will give us no info about it. If we decide to create a log with only departure or destination, if we type LTCT here, it will only give us the info for that airport and it won't provide a distance. You can also delete the books from here using delete. In order to create FlyPyLog, I use multiple resources such as Skinter, a Python library to create GUI applications, SQLite3, CSV, and JSON files. In order to create the CSV list I have behind me, I pretty much used a database and requested some API calls to put them all into a singular CSV file. And then I pretty much put all these into a SQLite3 database so that I can use it later inside of the program. And this is pretty much all for FlyPyLog. I'm Alp Solakoglu, and this was CS50.